guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Native New Yorker. Make sure you like and subscribe and tell a friend and tell a friend, you know what I'm saying? Today I'll be showing you how to do your eyebrows like this. Nice and crisp and cute and fabulous. For less than $5. Less than $5, literally. No, I don't use Anastasia eyebrow dip. No powder, none of that. I use a pencil. It's my secret. And I'm finally coming out. Just using literally two things. This right here. Guess how much this pencil is? $1. This concealer from the hair store. How much I paid for this? I don't know if it was $2 or $3. I'm not sure. Oh shoot, it was backwards as I said. My fault. But yes, these are literally the only two things I use to get these bad boys like this. Nah, shame. Yeah, let's get started. Alright, so I have no eyebrows, as you can tell. Yes, this is what I look like with my eyebrows, but I'm finna draw them babies on. I'm finna look cute. Okay, so you want to start off with a nice clean face. I like to start from the top of my eyebrows first. So you want to outline the shape of your eyebrows or draw the exact shape that you want them to be. And then follow that same exact line on the bottom. To get your eyebrows to look the exact same on both sides, just use that first line, that first top line, as like a guide and do the same steps. The eyebrow pencil that I'm using is Wet n Wild Color Icon Kohl Eyeliner in the shade Simmer Brown. Next, you want to start filling in. I personally like to start from the ends of my eyebrows and work my way up towards the front by doing just little light strokes, starting from the ends and working my way towards the beginning. When you get to the beginning of your eyebrows, just do gently light strokes. I like to make a little unibrow and then I'll go back and conceal them later. You'll see. Repeat the same steps on the other side. Now it's time to conceal those babies up. The concealer that I'm using is Eyebrow Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee. Financial local beauty supply store. And also the eyebrow pencil that I use, I brought from Dollar General for $1. When you conceal, it works as a little eraser. It fixes up all your little errors. You know, if something's a little out of place, it just cleans it up. It makes it really neat and nice and cute, you know what I'm saying? When I conceal, I put a little dab on my hand, and I use my my angle brush to go, dab it and go back up and conceal them. Now, when you're concealing, you have to be very, very precise, very careful. Cannot make a mistake. I'm just saying, not really. But start from the beginning of your eyebrows and kind of follow the line that you had drew right underneath your eyebrows. And then you want to go ahead and conceal the top of your eyebrows. Not everyone conceals the top of their eyebrows. Some just do the top or some just conceal the bottom. But I have to conceal both the top and the bottom because I want them to look nice and crisp, But that's up to you. It's your preference. After I conceal the top of my eyebrows, I'll go back down and I'll start blending in from the bottom. So just take all that excess concealer and drag it down and just start blending in. As you can see, I was a little gassed. Same thing that you did on this side, do the same thing on the other side. As you can see, I kind of start from the last top of the line, like the top of the line, and connect both of my eyebrows to make a unibrow. And I do this because when I start to blend in, it'll give you that ombre look on, like, in the beginning of the first part of your eyebrows. I apologize for the bad angle. You can't really see what I'm doing, but if you just follow the steps that you see me do on the first side, you know, you'll be alright. You want to get your spoolie. I'm sorry, it's a little broken, but it still work. But take your spoolie and go down in a downward motion to wipe away that excess eyebrow, that excess, you know, that unibrow that we had made, and just gently stroke up and just use your spoolie to blend in also. And then just continue to blend with a brush or a beauty blender to your liking, and that's it. This is my final look. If you guys want a full video of me doing my makeup, let me know in the comments below. Like, subscribe, that's it, period.